But yeah, I do know that it will happen. Mouth that hungers is a big grump. She's gonna someday blow and get herself eliminated. I kinda wanted to start the episode, but you just had to speak when the recording started. Glad that I'm making it to the final 7. Same. How do you know that you're making it? Well, I'm not as obnoxious as the other people up for elimination. I guess that is true. Sorry for the typo. But you're still pretty obnoxious. I have no personality whatsoever. My ultimate was purple, my favorite color, and it broke. Okay, it's time for the elimination, or break a rake. We've got a 29 votes in total. Pathetic, la 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 la. Monk's Greed got 3 of them. Awesome sauce. Men Are Pigs got you 3 votes. The episode starter and the fire starter are left. My humble apologies for being unsuspenseful, but Impossible House received 10 votes. Can I make happy baby noises? No thank you, bro. Nah. And the space guy is out with 12 votes. No. Why are you yelling? I lost my glitched thing. Yay! Wait, how did you lose the glitched thing? It's literally much more colorful than this field we reside in. I don't really have an answer to that question at the moment. Oh, straitjacket? I know where it is, and you should have known too. You, for some reason, thought it was a good idea to use me as a storage unit. Oh, right. Well, nothing can be done now. Yeah, we're not doing that. Okay, the 50-second contest is to find a reindeer with a red nose. The 3 that find one will be safe, and the 4 who don't will lose. Now go! It's time to keep my episode starting streak going by staying in the game longer. Impossible House is safe. Oh no, I don't know where to find a reindeer. Oh, hey, I found one. Wait, we can just do that? Too bad I can't. Well, I'd rather not be lazy. I'm gonna search in me. Pretty foolish of you. Look at what I'm doing. Honk honk. Okay, so Monk's Greed, Impossible House, and Mentally Mutated Straitjacket all win immunity. And Men Are Pigs, Instant Growing Plant, Mouth That Hungers, and Path to Fulfillment lose.